Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in this daily weather briefing. Today is 26th April. If we see yesterday's realized weather, then you will see that mainly heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed over parts of East India and over South Peninsular India. So main zone was over Gangetic West Bengal, where heat wave at many places with severe heat wave at conditions at isolated places observed, and heat wave conditions at a few places observed over Odisha. Otherwise, heat wave conditions prevailed over Bihar, Jharkhand, coastal Andhra Pradesh, interior Karnataka, and at one or two locations over Kerala. So accordingly, these were the pockets where heat wave to severe heat wave conditions mainly over eastern parts of the country prevailed during past 24 hours. And ABC realized rainfall, no significant rainfall realized over any parts of the country except at a few places over northeast India, some parts of northwest India, including Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, etc., and also some parts over south Peninsular India. Otherwise, no heavy rain, no significant moderate rain prevailed over any parts of the country. And hailstorm activity yesterday evening also observed over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh and at one or two stations over Madhya Maharashtra. Otherwise, no significant rainfall realized. If we see today's highlights, so we have mentioned here three highlights. First is regarding heat wave conditions. Accordingly, we have written here heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to continue over eastern parts of the country and over south peninsular India during next 5 days. And second point is about the fresh spell of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds, and rainfall over western region, including Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh mainly, and over Uttarakhand during the period of 26th to 29th, and over plains of northwest India, including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan during 26th to 28th, and over central India, including Madhya Pradesh mainly during next 2 days, that is on 26th and 27th April. So this is the second point. As a third point about spell of rainfall and thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds over northeastern parts of the country, which is expected during 28th to 30th of April, and heavy rainfall is also expected over this period, mainly over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya, especially on 28th and 30th of April. So these are the 3 points. Now we will discuss about the maximum temperature scenario. So these pockets mainly over eastern parts of the country and over south peninsular India, temperature are in the range of 42 to 44 degrees Celsius at many locations to few locations, and these are above normal over the same locations. These temperatures are above normal by 4 to 7 degrees Celsius over Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha region, and also 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, and some locations 5 degrees Celsius also above normal over eastern parts of Bihar, northeastern parts of Jharkhand, and parts of south peninsular India. Temperatures are also above normal over Sikkim region and parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Otherwise, northwest India, western parts of the country, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, central India, and Himalaya, western Himalaya, where temperature are either normal or in normal category range. So these are the synoptic system prevailing today. So we are having one western disturbance which is over south part of Iran adjoining southern parts of Pakistan, and an induced cyclone circulation over western parts of Rajasthan, which is shown here, western parts of Rajasthan, and there is a moisture incursion from Arabian Sea to the parts of northwest India. There is a cyclone circulation over northern parts of Bangladesh, and a trough runs from here to northern parts of Odisha across West Bengal. There is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam. All these are in lower tropospheric levels, and there is a trough or wind discontinuity runs from Marathwada to northern parts of Tamil Nadu across Karnataka region. So these are some of the important significant synoptic systems which are affecting our weather, mainly temperature and rainfall activity, which is likely during next 4-5 days. So this is rainfall distribution. You will see that during next 24 hours, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab region likely to experience light to moderate rainfall at few to many places, and otherwise rest parts of northwest India and central India, including Maharashtra and Gujarat region, isolated activity is expected. and some possibility of isolated activity also is likely over Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh region, and some activity also expected during evening hours in Kerala region. This activity will further increase on 27th, and accordingly widespread to fairly widespread rainfall is expected over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and scattered activity over Punjab, Uttarakhand, and isolated activity over Haryana region. Otherwise, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh likely to be dry on 27th. Central parts of the country likely to continue to witness isolated activity, including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha also likely to continue isolated activity, and interior Maharashtra on 27th as well. Kerala is likely to continue isolated activity during the next 5 days. On 28th, again the same activity is expected to continue over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab, and isolated activity over Haryana and Uttarakhand region on 28th. Again, central India, including eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, central parts of Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, and interior Maharashtra and Telangana is expected to receive isolated activity on 28th. On 29th, again same activity is expected to continue over western region. Now, from this 28th, this activity is expected to increase over northeastern parts of the country. Accordingly, fairly widespread to widespread activity is expected to receive over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya on 28th, on 29th as well, and on 30th widespread activity is expected over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya, and fairly widespread activity over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. On 28th and 30th, heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya. We will discuss in 5 days weather warning. Now, these are the weather warning map for next 5 days. You will see that on 26th, heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to expected over many places over Gangetic West Bengal, at few locations over Odisha, and heat wave conditions at few locations over Bihar, at isolated locations over Jharkhand, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, interior Karnataka, and Kerala. Accordingly, red color is given to Odisha and West Bengal, especially Gangetic West Bengal during next 5 days, and orange color is because of heat wave is given to sub-Saharan West Bengal and Bihar region and interior Karnataka during next 5 days, and yellow color because of heat wave conditions is given to eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand and Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, etc. During next 5 days. So, main topic of today's briefing is about the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions, mainly over eastern parts of the country. Now, as regards thunderstorm activity, this is expected because of western disturbance today over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Punjab, Haryana region, where hailstorm activity is expected today with light to moderate rainfall at some to many places today, and thunderstorm and dust storm activity is expected over western parts of Rajasthan, and hailstorm activity over eastern parts of Rajasthan. Hailstorm also expected over western parts of Madhya Pradesh today and adjoining regions of interior Maharashtra, especially Madhya Maharashtra, northern parts of Madhya Maharashtra. And as regards rest parts of the country, thunderstorm also expected over Chhattisgarh and northeast India today, and some possibility of thunderstorm and lightning is also expected over Odisha today. So, this is weather warning for today. On 27th, this activity will further to continue over western region. Accordingly, heavy rainfall is expected over Jammu Kashmir, and hailstorm activity is expected over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, Haryana, and adjoining regions. However, Rajasthan and western parts of Uttar Pradesh likely to be dry from tomorrow onwards. And again, this heat wave conditions likely to continue as already discussed over most days during next 5 days. Similar scenario, no more change is expected during next 5 days over heat wave conditions. And again, on tomorrow, hailstorm activity is expected over mainly over eastern parts of the Madhya Pradesh, and thunderstorm activity likely to continue over central parts of the country, including Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and adjoining regions of Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh region. On 28th, this heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya, and thunderstorm activity is expected over at isolated locations over northeast parts of the country, and thunderstorm activity with heavy rainfall activity is expected to continue on 28th over Jammu Kashmir, and hailstorm activity is expected to continue over Himachal Pradesh on 28th, and thunderstorm and hailstorm activity is expected over Uttarakhand on 28th. Otherwise, rest parts of the plains of northwest India, no significant weather is expected from 28th onward. If we see thunderstorm activity over central parts of the country, this activity will reduce. However, isolated locations may witness thunderstorm activity with lightning over eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha Chhattisgarh region and the adjoining regions of Telangana on 28th. On 29th, thunderstorm activity is expected to continue over western region. Heavy rainfall is expected over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and hailstorm activity to continue over Uttarakhand on 29th. And this activity of thunderstorm activity over northeast India is expected to continue on 29th. On 30th, again heavy rainfall is expected over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya. The activity of heavy rainfall is likely to decrease on 30th over western region. However, hailstorm and thunderstorm activity is expected over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand region on 30th. Otherwise, from 29th, the central parts of the country, northwest parts of the country, western parts of the country, no significant rainfall is expected. So this is about 5 days warning. And as regards hot and humid weather conditions, so coastal regions of the country, including eastern coast, including coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra, expected to witness hot and humid weather during next 4-5 days. So this is all about today's discussion about the weather warning, and it is again and again requested from India Met Department that be cautious about the hot and humid weather and high temperatures, and if necessary then go outside the home, otherwise stay in the home. And if it is essential to go outside, please be careful and take water as possible as available. And so this is about the suggestions, and we'll discuss again updated information. Till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.